everyone, welcome back to our podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake. Today, we have something really exciting for you.
Yes, today we are going to talk about how to train your brain and mouth to speak English fast.
That's right. If you want to speak English faster and more confidently, this podcast will help you.
Absolutely. We will share easy tips and exercises. Don't worry, it's simple and fun.
Yes, simple and friendly. Okay, Anna, let's start. Why do some people speak English slowly?
Good question. I think it is because their brain and mouth are not used to English yet.
Exactly. When you speak, your brain must think in English and your mouth must say the words quickly.
And sometimes people translate from their own language first. That slows them down.
Yes, but today we will show exercises to make your brain and mouth faster.
Let's start with the brain. How can we train it?
One easy way is listening and repeating. Listen to simple English sentences, then repeat them out loud.
For example, my quick breakfast is a banana. Say it slowly first, then faster.
Yes, and do this every day. Even 5 minutes is very helpful.
Another tip is thinking in English. Try to describe what you see around you.
Like when you are in your kitchen. Say, I see a cup. I see a spoon.
Or when you are walking, I see a tree. I see a car. Small sentences. But your brain gets used to English quickly.
And it's fun. You don't need to study many hours.
Now, let's talk about the mouth. Speaking fast needs mouth exercises too.
Yes, try tongue twisters. For example, she sells seashells. Say it slowly first, then faster.
Tongue twisters are great. They make your mouth stronger and quicker.
Don't worry if you make mistakes. That is normal.
Good point, Jake. Mistakes are part of learning.
Before we continue, everyone, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like these tips.
Yes, subscribe now. And write a comment if you have a question. We love to read your comments.
Okay, back to exercises. Another tip is reading out loud.
Yes, pick a short story or children's book. Read slowly at first.
Then read the same story again, but faster. You will feel your brain and mouth improving together.
And it works really well because you see the words, say the words, and think in English all at the same time.
Exactly. Step by step, your brain and mouth start working together.
Oh, and one more tip before we finish this part. Practice every day, even just 5 minutes.
Yes, consistency is more important than time.
Great, that's a good start. In the next part, we will share more fun exercises and games to train your brain and mouth.
Oh, I love this game. How do we play it, Anna?
Very simple. You pick a short sentence. For example, I like apples.
Then you say it slowly at first. After that, try to say it faster and faster without mistakes.
Yes, and if you want, you can even time yourself. See how fast you can say the sentence clearly.
This is fun and also trains your brain to think quickly in English.
Another exercise is talk to yourself.
Haha, yes, I do this sometimes.
You just describe your day or what you see around you in English.
Like, I see a chair. I see a cup. The cup is white.
Exactly. The more you speak to yourself, the faster your brain and mouth will get.
And it's okay if you make mistakes. That's how learning works.
Good point. Mistakes are normal. Don't be afraid.
Another tip is shadowing.
Shadowing? What is that, Jake?
It's when you listen to a short English audio and repeat it at the same time, like a shadow.
Oh, yes. I love that. You hear the sentence and say it immediately.
It trains your ears, brain, and mouth together. Very powerful.
And you can start with short sentences. For example, I go to school every day.
Then try slightly longer sentences, like every morning I drink water and eat breakfast.
Yes, and don't forget to practice every day, even for 5 minutes.
Great reminder. Consistency is key.
Oh, before we go further, everyone, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet.
Yes, and comment below with your favorite English sentence. We may use it in the next podcast.
Now, let's talk about another fun exercise. It's called story building.
Ah, yes, I love this one. How does it work?
You start with one sentence. For example, I see a cat.
Then you add another sentence, like the cat is black.
And keep adding more sentences. Make a short story.
This helps your brain think in English and your mouth speak English at the same time.
And it's fun because you can make your story silly or creative.
Yes, and remember, don't rush at first. Start slow, then get faster.
Exactly. Slow first, fast later. That's the secret.
And one last tip for this part, repeat key sentences every day.
Yes, for example, I like apples. I see a cat. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Repeating helps your brain remember and your mouth becomes faster.
Now we are going to share even more ways to train your brain and mouth to speak English fast.
Yes, so far we talked about sentence races, talking to yourself, shadowing, and story building. Now, let's add a few more fun exercises.
Okay, the first one is repeat and record.
Oh, I love this one. How does it work, Anna?
Very simple. You record yourself saying a short sentence, like, I drink water every morning.
Then listen to the recording and repeat it again. Try to sound better or faster.
Yes, and after a few days, you will notice your pronunciation is better and your speech is faster.
Another tip is talk with a friend.
Oh yes, practicing with someone else is great.
Even if your friend speaks English a little, just try short conversations.
For example, hello. How are you? Or I like pizza. What do you like?
And try to answer quickly. This trains your brain to think fast in English.
Another exercise I like is question and answer.
Yes, this one is fun. How do we do it?
One person asks a simple question, and the other answers quickly.
For example, what do you eat for breakfast? I eat eggs.
Then switch roles. Ask and answer. Quick responses help your brain and mouth work together.
And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Just keep trying.
Good point. Mistakes are part of learning.
Okay, another tip is use short stories or dialogues.
Yes, you can read a short story or dialogue and try to say it with feeling.
You can even act like you are in the story. This makes it fun and helps your brain remember words faster.
Exactly. And when you read, try to speed up a little every time.
Oh, and don't forget, everyone, if you like these exercises, subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and leave a comment with your favorite tip. We love reading your comments.
Now, let's talk about one last important thing for this part, warm-up exercises for your mouth.
Oh yes, simple exercises like opening your mouth wide, moving your tongue, and saying sounds like la, li, lo, lu.
These exercises make your mouth muscles strong. Then you can speak faster without mistakes.
And another one is slowly exaggerating words. For example, banana, stretch it, banana.
Yes, then gradually say it faster. It's fun and very effective.
Great! I think we have shared many useful exercises already.
Yes, and just to remind everyone, practice every day, even a few minutes. Step by step, your brain and mouth will get faster.
Okay, before we pause here, let's do a quick recap of all exercises we talked about so far.
Good idea. First, sentence races. Then, talking to yourself, shadowing, story building. Repeat and record. Talk with a friend. Question and answer. Short stories or dialogues. And warm-up exercises for your mouth.
That's a lot of good exercises, and all of them help you speak English faster and more confidently.
Exactly. And remember, make it fun, smile while you practice. Now, let's talk about daily routines that make your brain and mouth faster.
A very simple one is speaking English in the morning. Even one sentence is good.
For example, good morning, I eat breakfast, I drink water.
Yes, short and simple. Doing this every morning trains your brain and mouth to start thinking in English right away.
Another tip is using English while doing simple tasks.
Like when you are cooking, you can say, I cut the tomato, I pour water.
Or when you are walking, I see a car, I see a dog, the dog is brown.
Exactly, small sentences, but they help your brain get faster.
Now, let's talk about listening and repeating with fun.
Yes, you can listen to short videos, songs, or dialogues. Then pause and repeat what you hear.
And try to copy the speed and rhythm of the speaker. This trains your mouth to move faster naturally.
Another great exercise is role play.
Oh yes, pretend you are in a shop, restaurant, or airport. Speak English as if it's real life.
For example, hello, I want a coffee, please. Then respond quickly to imaginary questions.
This makes your brain think fast and your mouth speak faster too.
And don't forget tongue twisters. They are fun and very helpful.
Yes, like she sells seashells. Say it slowly, then faster. Repeat every day.
Oh, and before we finish, remember everyone, subscribe to our channel if you enjoy these tips.
And leave a comment with your favorite exercise or sentence.
Another simple tip is combine exercises. For example, shadow a short story, then repeat key sentences, then do a tongue twister.
Yes, mixing exercises makes practice fun and more effective.
And one last thing for today, stay positive and patient.
Very important, your brain and mouth need time to learn. Celebrate small progress every day.
Great, and remember, practice every day, even 5 minutes. Step by step, you will speak English faster and more confidently.
That's right, and have fun while you practice.
Now, we will talk about some advanced tips to speak English even faster.
Yes, don't worry, advanced just means fun exercises you can do every day.
The first one is story chaining.
Story chaining. What is that, Anna?
It's when you make a story one sentence at a time and try to say the next sentence quickly.
Oh, yes. For example, I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I see my friend.
Exactly. Try to connect sentences without pausing too long. This trains your brain to think fast.ult text.
Another tip is shadowing with emotions.
Yes, when you repeat sentences, add feeling. For example, I am so happy today. Say it with excitement.
This is fun and also helps your brain remember the words faster.
And don't forget repeat short dialogues every day.
Yes, you can find simple conversations online or in books. Read and repeat them several times.
Another helpful exercise is speed reading out loud.
Oh yes, take a short story or paragraph. Read slowly first, then try to read faster.
And make it fun, pretend you are a teacher or a character in the story.
Great tip, Anna. And remember, practice every day, even 5 minutes, is better than 1 hour once a week.
Absolutely, consistency is key.
Before we continue, everyone, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet.
And write a comment with your favorite exercise so far. We love reading your messages. Now, let's talk about fun challenges to train your brain and mouth.
Yes, one fun challenge is the 1-minute challenge.
How does that work, Jake?
You pick one sentence and try to say it clearly as many times as possible in 1 minute.
For example, I like bananas. Say it slowly at first, then faster. Count how many times you can say it.
Another challenge is tongue twister races.
Haha, yes, she sells seashells. First, say it slowly. Then faster. Try to beat your own record.
And don't worry if you make mistakes, just try again.
Another exercise is record and listen.
Yes, record yourself reading a short paragraph or dialogue. Then listen and try to repeat better.
And you can do this every day. Even a short recording helps a lot.
Another fun challenge is daily speaking logs.
Oh yes, every day say one small thing about your day in English.
For example, today I eat breakfast. I go to school. I see my friend.
And try to speak a little faster each day. Your brain and mouth will adapt.
Remember, mistakes are normal. Every small step counts.
Yes, and have fun while practicing. That's very important.
That's it for today's podcast segment. Keep training your brain and mouth, and you will speak English faster and more confidently soon.